Are you ready to crack the code and delve into the world of cryptocurrency investing? Picture this, a landscape where digital currencies like Bitcoin have taken the financial world by storm. But before you dive in headfirst, let me ask you this. Are you equipped with the right strategies to navigate this dynamic market? If not, fret not, because today we're unlocking the secrets to successful crypto investing for beginners. Whether you're a curious newcomer or a seasoned investor looking to expand your portfolio, this guide has something for everyone. So, buckle up as we embark on this thrilling journey of crypto exploration. Number 1. Educate yourself. Before you take the plunge into cryptocurrency investing, arm yourself with knowledge. Understanding the fundamentals is crucial to making informed decisions and navigating the complexities of the crypto market. Start by familiarizing yourself with blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies, which provides transparency and security through decentralized ledgers. Dive into concepts like wallets, exchanges, and tokens to grasp the mechanics of buying, selling, and storing digital assets. Educate yourself on the different types of cryptocurrencies available and their respective use cases, from Bitcoin to altcoins. Explore resources such as online courses, books, and educational platforms tailored for beginners to deepen your understanding. By investing time in learning the ins and outs of cryptocurrency, you'll empower yourself to make confident investment choices and set yourself up for success in this exciting and dynamic space. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of crypto. Number 2, start small. When venturing into the world of cryptocurrency investing, it's tempting to dive in headfirst with a sizable investment. However, starting small can be the key to long-term success. By beginning with a modest amount of capital, you not only minimize your risk exposure, but also give yourself the opportunity to learn and grow as an investor. Think of it as dipping your toes into the water before taking the plunge. Starting small allows you to test the waters, gain valuable experience, and adjust your strategy as needed without risking significant financial loss. Additionally, starting small enables you to assess your risk tolerance and investment goals more accurately, laying a solid foundation for future growth. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your crypto portfolio. So, take your time, start small, and let your investments grow organically over time. Number 3, diversify your portfolio. In the world of cryptocurrency investing, diversity is not just a buzzword. It's a fundamental principle that can help mitigate risk and maximize potential returns. Diversifying your portfolio involves spreading your investments across a range of different assets, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins, each with its own unique characteristics and market dynamics. By diversifying, you reduce the impact of any single asset's performance on your overall portfolio, helping to smooth out volatility and protect against losses. But diversity isn't just about investing in multiple cryptocurrencies. It's also about exploring different investment strategies and asset classes within the crypto space. Consider allocating a portion of your portfolio to long-term holdings, while also setting aside funds for more speculative or high-risk ventures. By diversifying intelligently, you can build a resilient portfolio that stands the test of time and delivers consistent returns in a rapidly changing market. Number 4, dollar cost averaging. When it comes to navigating the roller coaster ride of cryptocurrency prices, dollar cost averaging, DCA, is your secret weapon. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the current price of the asset. By spreading out your purchases over time, you avoid the pitfalls of trying to time the market and instead focus on accumulating assets gradually. During periods of market volatility, DCA allows you to buy more when prices are low and less when prices are high, effectively reducing the average cost per coin over time. This not only helps to smooth out the impact of price fluctuations, but also instills discipline and consistency in your investment approach. Whether the market is bullish or bearish, DCA ensures that you're consistently building your portfolio and positioning yourself for long-term growth. So, embrace the power of dollar-cost averaging and watch your investments flourish over time. Number 5. Research projects thoroughly. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, conducting thorough research is your best defense against making costly investment mistakes. With thousands of projects vying for your attention, it's essential to separate the wheat from the chaff and identify those with real potential for success. Start by scrutinizing the team. Behind the project, are they experienced and credible? Next, delve into the technology underpinning the cryptocurrency. Does it solve a real-world problem and offer unique value? Assess the project's market potential and competition, considering factors such as adoption rates, partnerships, and regulatory environment. Look for transparency and accountability, with regular updates and a clear roadmap for development. And perhaps most importantly, don't underestimate the power of community. Engage with other investors, join online forums and social media groups, and tap into the collective wisdom of the crowd. By conducting thorough research, you can make informed investment decisions and position yourself for success in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency investing. Number 6. Stay informed. In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, staying informed is not just a suggestion, it's a necessity. The market moves at lightning speed, and being caught off guard can result in missed opportunities or even costly mistakes. So, how can you ensure you're always in the loop? Start by diversifying your information sources. Don't rely solely on mainstream media. Explore crypto-specific news outlets, forums, and social media channels where discussions are buzzing with insights and analysis from fellow enthusiasts and experts. Engage with online communities dedicated to cryptocurrency investing, where you can learn from the experiences of others and stay updated on the latest trends. Additionally, consider subscribing to newsletters or joining online courses that offer in-depth analysis and educational resources. By immersing yourself in the world of crypto and keeping your finger on the pulse of market developments, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and adapt to changing circumstances. Number 7. Secure your investments. Security should be at the forefront of your mind when it comes to cryptocurrency investments. With the decentralized nature of blockchain technology comes a heightened risk of theft and hacking attempts. Protecting your assets is paramount, and there are several measures you can take to fortify your defenses. Firstly, consider storing the majority of your funds in hardware wallets, a physical device that keeps your private keys offline and out of reach of cybercriminals. These wallets provide an added layer of security compared to software wallets or keeping your assets on exchanges, which are more susceptible to hacking. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all your exchange accounts and wallets to add an extra barrier against unauthorized access. Be cautious of phishing attempts and never share your private keys or sensitive information with anyone. By prioritizing security and implementing robust safeguards, you can minimize the risk of falling victim to cyber threats and safeguard your investments for the long haul. Number 8. Patience is key. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, it's easy to get caught up in the frenzy of short-term price fluctuations and market hype. However, successful investors understand the importance of patience and maintaining a long-term perspective. Cryptocurrency markets are inherently volatile, with prices capable of experiencing dramatic swings in a matter of hours or days. It's crucial not to let emotions dictate your investment decisions and avoid making impulsive moves based on fear or greed. Instead, focus on the fundamentals of the projects in your portfolio and their long-term potential for growth and adoption. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your crypto empire. By exercising patience and staying committed to your investment strategy, you'll be better positioned to weather the inevitable ups and downs of the market and ultimately achieve your financial goals. So, stay calm, stay patient, and trust in the power of time to work in your favor in the world of cryptocurrency investing. Cracking the code of crypto investing is within your grasp. By arming yourself with knowledge, starting small, diversifying your portfolio, and implementing smart strategies like dollar cost averaging, you can navigate this exhilarating yet unpredictable market with confidence. Remember to conduct thorough research, stay informed, secure your investments, and above all, exercise patience. Whether you're in it for the thrill or the potential rewards, with the right mindset and approach, success in the world of cryptocurrency is yours for the taking.